Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how these tablets will remove all of the black spot in your pool, your fiberglass pool, without even trying. It works a treat. I got this from Bunnings. It's about $20 for 5 tablets, but they do last a long time. They last for about a week to 2 before they sort of disintegrate to nothing, and they do remove black spot like a charm. I'm going to show you now. It did take 4 days, but it went from a big black spot to nothing. So just watch and hopefully it works for you too. Thanks. Okay, in the pool now, you'll see there's a bit of black spot on the pool from lack of calcium. The water was getting not good, so I had to fix it up. And I've put one of those high claw tablets, and I'm going to make that disappear. You'll see that over the next few days. All I'm going to do is cover it with a high claw tablet. Okay, as you can see, I've just put the high claw tablet straight over the top of it, just using my pole, extending pole. And a couple of days, it should be right to go. Okay, so here we are 4 days later. And I'm just going to push this off what was the black spot. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, no more black spot. Totally gone. So, best way to get rid of it, you just put the high claw tablet straight over the top, let it sit there for a few days, and done. And I've got a little bit another one, small one there, so I'll do that one. That's it. Don't work too hard removing your black spot. Have a great day.